Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tabby Violet and today I will be doing a reveal with you. It is my first Chloe bag and I couldn't wait at all. I purchased it from Fashion File and I had to open it. So I opened it 2 days ago. I didn't take off the tags, but I did, so this is a reveal. So without further ado, I will show you the bag, then we'll get into why I purchased it, the reason I purchased it, which is the same thing as the why, and why I'm so in love with it and why it's such a great deal. So let me show you my bag. Okay. So, like I said, I purchased them from Fashion File. I absolutely love purchasing with them. They are reliable and you have the 30-day return policy. So like I said, I kept the tags on. So here is my very first Chloe bag. Peekaboo. Okay, so it is my Chloe Faye medium bag in this beautiful tan color. It has the gold hardware, silver hardware, and then gold right here. And it has a strap. And then you have, let's see, a little Chloe logo right here. It's in a beautiful suede, and then the rest is leather. So I purchased this bag because, well, first off, well, there's many reasons, but I don't have like a beautiful brown bag like this. I also just love how subtle this bag is. And I also really love how this is kind of like a boho chic, kind of a feeling. And that matches like exactly where I'm living right now. I'm living in Boulder. And so like I've noticed, so I've been here for about like 4 weeks or so. And I've noticed that people in Boulder are super cool. It's like this little bubble. If you've never been, you got to come and visit. However, there are a lot of Trustafarians and a bit of wealthy people, and they're just like so low key about it. You can kind of point them out because they're so low key about it. And then you got your hippies, you got your gypsies, then you got regular people. But for the most part, you don't really see luxury bags in Boulder, even though it's one of the most expensive places to live. When you do walk down Pearl Street, which is downtown, you'll see like logos, but it's people that are tourists, obviously, so like luxury things. And to make a long story short, I do live here, I'm local, and I wanted to be a little bit not in your face, a little discreet. I am confident with rocking my luxury. I don't mind like being logo-y. I don't mind, wearing that. But sometimes like, I don't want to have monogram or big Chanel's or whatever. I just want to be low-key. I just want to like keep it cool, just keep it like on the down low, just be like chill, and I just love the style here. I think it's super like, they honestly are just like whatevs, like, just do your own thing. And that's kind of how Colorado is. So I really am embracing the like boho, like chic and classy, but yet you're like earthy kind of vibe. However, you know me, I like rock blazers, I'll wear leather pants, then one day I'll be wearing sweats. So the reason I purchased this was because this bag is just so discreet. It is just, all it really has is Chloe right here. So if you're a bag lover, yes, maybe you might love this, this bag, but in honesty, most people probably won't even know. It looks like just a cool little like leather bag. And so yeah, and I love it. I first saw it on a few YouTubers, one person specifically, Angelique, my good friend here on YouTube. I talked to her about this and she gave me a lot of advice. She has a beautiful like sky blue one. They come in a variety of colors. She has like a brown one with mustard, and she just rocks it. So she did mention it was heavy, and yes, this is a very, very heavy bag. I might say, gosh, is it heavier than the jumbo? I don't know. That's my heaviest bag. It's very heavy, I think, because of the hardware and because there's so much leather. And so what really sold me on this was, yeah, it's really cute, very discreet, but I really, really like the accordion factor with it. So when you put things inside of it, it makes this like accordion effect, which I'll show you in a little bit. And it's just a really cool bag. Like I've said before, I know everyone doesn't love Chloe, but from seeing this, I love the quality of it. It's gorgeous. I am a bit nervous about the suede. However, I have considered maybe spraying it with suede protector? What do you guys think? Yes or no? I don't know. So when I buy my I bought my Stuart Weitzman boots at the store boutique, it's all suede, and they actually like treated it for me with suede protector, and they say like do it every year and it protects like it from water damage and from like getting dirty. So I've done it with like a cheaper boots that actually are the same color as this, and it like really worked in the wintertime. So I might consider it, I don't know, but I think I will, because Chloe bags, as you guys know, do not hold their value. So this bag for retail after tax, I think before tax is like $1,800, and after tax is like over $2,000. These bags run for between $600 to $900, $1,000 depending on condition. This was rated excellent condition, and I got it for $835. Some of them you could even get lower, but $835 for a Chloe bag that's in excellent condition, I think is a great deal. I want to show you some of the wear on it. I mean, there's not really much wear here. It's just like suede, and that's beautiful. But if you look in the front, you can see like a little wrinkling, and I think there's like a little minor scratch right there. You really can't see really any of it. And I hear this is a bag that like scratches pretty easily. It's a magnetic clasp. So if you look closer, you'll see a little bit of denting and a little bit of scratching and wrinkling. But I specifically got this bag because it's brown. And have you ever seen like those like vintage looking like brown bags that are really weathered and they just look cool? And I think that this bag will be able to pull it off. So this is gonna be my throw around like whatever's bag. There's a scratch right here. Kind of just be low key about it. Not throw around, but you know what I mean. Like I don't have to worry about it. It has this nice like, is it microfiber interior? It's like a beautiful nude, or not nude, it's like more of a taupe grayish color. There's 2 compartments. Oh, and then I have my little, and then there's like a little zipper in the back, and then it says, hopefully you can see. You'll see. Ooh, this bag is so heavy. Inside, oh, inside, you should, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but where my nails are, yeah, it says Chloe. Yeah. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. So yeah, and the inside is in immaculate condition, and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. There is a adjustable strap. And I can wear it crossbody. And what I really wanted to get this bag for is I have just been really into doing less technology, less TV, less social media, and more reading, more focusing on family, more hiking. So I've been putting this book like up and down for a while, and I just really want to finish it. And I go to the library and I re-rented it out. Oh, checked it out. And I really wanted a bag that I could put my my books in. So I want to have, so I put my book in, it fits very nicely. I think one of the downfalls for this bag is like when you put stuff in it, you eventually, if you put more things in it, you can, like it starts bulking out, and you can also see the shape of the bag, like the interior in the inside. So like you can see the book, or if you put something in the back, you kind of see the shape of it. Like I have my phone and my wallet. So that's one of those things. Right now it's not bulking up too much, the accordion style, but if you put more things in it, it will like flare out, which I really like. So yeah, guys, enough blabbing on. If you guys want a review or what fits inside this bag, let me know. I really, really love this bag. I think it is just gorgeous. There are absolutely no like flaws on the side, and yeah, I will be keeping it. So comment down below whether you think I should suede protect it or not. And if you do have this bag, what are your guys' thoughts? Is it hard to take care of the suede? I hear it is. And what do you do to maintain or clean it? I hear it is difficult, or you need to go to bring it to like a professional. So other than that, I'm just gonna love it. I'm gonna use it, and this is very heavy, but I am gonna keep it. And JT is funny because if you guys watched my last video on JT's like favorite and least favorite bags of mine, he's like, oh, if this bag would have been here, this would have been on my like favorites list. He just loves how like low key and chic it is. So all right, guys, I will talk to you guys later. I pretty much think that's it. I will show you guys some mod shots probably within this video. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.